I'm Herbert Fuller of Counsel with Fuller and Fuller Attorneys, which is a personal injury firm, and I'm one of the founders of the firm. I was reflecting on the many years that I've been in practice and what is really important to a client. And I've decided that one of the things that is very important and is very often overlooked is how long it takes from the time that the client is injured until the client gets his or her money. And we make an effort at Fuller and Fuller to make sure that these cases are moved along as fast as possible. I say cases, but the vast majority do not go to trial. In fact, by moving the case along, the cases that are headed for trial very often settle just short of trial. So it's important to keep the pressure on the insurance company and not have the ball be in our court. We will make every effort to do everything we can to make sure that this case is moved along as rapidly as possible, because it makes a big difference to the client if a case is settled 6 months sooner than maybe another law firm might wind up settling it. That's why we put in that effort to do that. It's the client's money. We want the client to have his or her money as soon as possible. Now, we start making a demand letter right away, and we put in doctor bills and things like that, but we don't send it out to the insurance company. The insurance company may want to settle a case, but we don't until we know what the client is going to be like 5 years, 10 years, in fact, the rest of his or her life. So once the doctor can tell us that, and the doctor can't tell us that right away, but once the doctor can tell us that, why then we're ready to settle the case. But we don't want the insurance company to ever say, we're waiting for the attorney to give us such and such a report. In fact, on occasion, we've even gone to a doctor's office and waited until that report was prepared so we could get it off to the insurance company. And as I reflect on this, that seems very important to me, and so I'm glad that we've emphasized that. Now, I personally feel that we could compare ourselves with any law firm as far as promptness, and we're one of the few law firms, as far as I know, that actually measures these things and find out how long it takes us. Periodically, we check to make sure that we're being as prompt as we possibly can be, together with very good lawyering to make sure that the client gets his or her money. Thank you.